this video we will discuss about the printer. As you know about it very well, printer is an output device. It is used to take the printout on the papers. So whatever you take the printout on paper, this is called hard copy. So we can say that printer is used to convert soft copy into the hard copy. Okay. So mainly the printer is divided into two parts: impact printer and non-impact printer. Okay. Now, impact printer has two types: adhesive printer and the dot matrix printer. Okay. Non-impact printer has three types: thermal printer, inkjet printer, and the laser printer. If we talk about the impact printer, first we will try to discuss about the impact and non-impact printers. Okay. Impact printers what? It uses there is a physical contact between printing head and the paper to produce the output. Okay, I think you must have seen the typewriter machine, which has the keys on which characters are mounted. Okay, or it has a inked ribbon, colored inked ribbon on which it strikes and form the color and form the character. Okay, and you also have seen while you visit to the railway station. Okay, the head of the printer, while you reserve your ticket, the head of the printer strikes with the paper and starts printing on the paper. Okay, so what you have seen here, these type of printers have a physical contact with the paper, that is physical contact between the printing head and the paper to produce the output. But in non-impact printer, there is no any physical contact between the paper head and the printer to produce the output. Okay. The example of these, the general printers you have seen at your home offices nowadays. Okay, clear? So these are the impact printer. Once again, I am going to discuss the printer which uses physical contact between printer head and the paper to produce the output is called impact printer, and the printer which do not uses physical contact between printer head and the paper is called non-impact printer. So the example of impact printer is the typewriter machine. You have seen that, okay, on which there are so many keys, clear, which strike on the colored or inked ribbon, and that strike on the paper and form the character. Clear? So the typewriter machine produces sound, clear, and it can print characters only. So impact printers are also called character printer. Okay. Non-impact printers do not produce any sound. Clear? Okay, we can print characters. Clear? Printing quality is not good, printing quality is very good. Okay, and printing quality is cost of printing is cheap, cost of printing is high. Printing speed is slow, printing speed is fast. We cannot print the graphics, we can print the graphics. Okay. Clear? So now I think you have understood the difference between impact printer and the non-impact printer. Okay. Now I will discuss about the adhesive printer and the dot matrix printer. Okay. The typewriter machine which I was discussing is the type of adhesive printer. Okay. In this printer there is a bunch of keys are mounted in such a way there is a bunch of keys are mounted, and on the head of each key a character is mounted. Okay, when we press the key from the typewriter machine, it strike against the colored ribbon, inked ribbon, and that ribbon strike on the paper and form the character. Clear? This is the main function of the adhesive printer. Okay, that means we can also say that our typewriter machine is a type of adhesive printer. Okay, clear? Its printing speed is very slow. It can print characters, one character at a time. That means its speed can be measured 40 to 60 characters per second. Clear? And picture quality is very poor. Clear? And it is very noisy. Clear? And it is bulky in size, so we cannot carry it at other places. Clear? And there is the need to regular maintenance because keys are made up of iron. There is a chance for rust. Now we talk about the dot matrix printer. These are the printers nowadays you can see at the railway stations, railway reservation counters. Okay, on which printing head is made up of small dots. Printing head is made up of small dots. Okay, 9 pin and 24 pins. Okay, that means on dot matrix printer head is consisting of these small pins, and these pins are used to form the characters. Okay, this is also called line printer, because suppose you want to write Gyan, that means in this way it is used to print the characters. So it is called a line printer. It can print one line at first, then it start the next line. Okay, and these pins, okay, these pins are used to form the characters on the paper. So it is called dot matrix printer. Clear? It is faster than the adhesive printer. It makes the physical contact with paper while printing. Clear? After that, you can see here, clear, its printing speed is faster than it produces less noise than adhesive, but it is noisy. Now we will talk about the non-impact printers. As I discussed earlier, there are three types of non-impact printer: thermal printer, inkjet printer, and the laser printer. Okay, clear? The thermal printer is also called handheld printer, because whatever the printers you have seen at the petrol pumps, the bus conductors carries at hand the people who comes to read the electricity bill, they carry a such type of printer, because these printers are very small and it has a special quality papers are used to take the print out, and it uses a special heat sensation. Printing is produced by using a special heat sensation. Okay? After that it starts printing on the paper. When it is widely used in the restaurants, petrol pumps, electric bill producing, and by the bus conductor. So it is portable, smaller in size, clear, and it uses special quality, a special type of heat sensation paper, clear, and printing quality is very poor, clear, and only characters are formed. Graphics are not formed by using this. Okay, inkjet printer. This is the most common printer we use in our home, office, school. Clear? This is the it uses spraying technology. Okay, it spray the dust powders, clear, inks on the paper, and by spraying it form the picture. Its picture quality is much better than the other printers. Okay, and printing speed is very high. It can produce 50 to 60 printouts per minute. Okay, and picture quality is determined by the density of the dots, density of the small dots. Clear? And and it uses Cartese as a main ink. Clear? After that, laser printer. This is the latest technology printer. It uses photocopy technology. Its printing speed is very high, printing quality is very high, printing cost is very high, and picture quality is very high. It uses laser technology. That means when you have seen in photocopy, a laser beam passes through it and in it, clear, and start producing the output. So now you have understood about this type of printers. Okay, so this is the second type of output device. Okay.